Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on mobile or cellular data on your Android phone. Let's get into the method. There are two ways to enable or disable data. First, swipe down from the very top of the screen twice to open the quick access panel, and have a look for a data option here. There's also a chance this option is within the internet section, so check here as well by tapping on the button. Data can be enabled or disabled here by either tapping on the button itself or by using the toggle switch after expanding the correct section, either data or internet. We can also turn on or turn off data within the settings app. Open this and then choose the network and internet option. This name can be slightly different on some Android devices, but it should be something like internet, network or connections. Within here, look for a mobile or cellular data option and tap on this, or tap on internet, and then you can use the toggle switch here. This will be separate from the Wi-Fi section and it might say your carrier or network's name next to it. If that method didn't work, head back to the homepage of the settings app and use the search box to look for either mobile data or cellular data and tap on this. You should then be on the page to enable or disable it. That's how to turn on mobile or cellular data on your Android phone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Android device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.